Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Soaking clothes in an LG front-load washer helps remove tough stains and odors. Most modern front-loaders do not have a traditional soak tub. You can still achieve great results by using specific settings on your machine. First, load your dirty laundry into the drum. Add your favorite detergent to the main compartment. Close the door firmly and press the power button. Turn the cycle selector knob to your desired wash setting. Look for a button labeled pre-wash on the control panel. Pressing this button adds a short soak period before the main cycle begins. If your clothes need a much longer soak, you can use the pause method. Start the wash cycle as you normally would. Wait about 10 minutes for the drum to fill with water and mix the soap. Press the Start Pause button to stop the machine. The water will remain in the tub with your clothes. Let the laundry sit for 30 minutes or up to 1 hour. Do not wait too long or the machine might drain automatically for safety. After the soaking time is up, press the Start Pause button again. The washer will resume the cycle and finish the cleaning process. Some newer LG models have a dedicated soak button. You may need to press and hold the pre-wash button for 3 seconds to activate it. Always check your specific model manual for hidden features. This simple technique ensures your whites stay bright and your smelly gym clothes smell fresh. Your LG washer is powerful enough to handle these extra cleaning steps easily and effectively.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.